Today we're going to make a wedge, and we're not going to go through the whole process of making the roadster. I think we've got 10 or 15 videos out on how to make a roadster. So I think the heel cock, we've got a heel cock making video, bumping the toe. We're just going to go for Madison, Wisconsin, just going to make this portion of the shoe is the wedge. I don't know as if it's any different. I've seen it. I saw it in a couple museums and stuff, and so I tried to replicate it. So we will just focus on the wedge aspect of the shoe for Madison. All right, we're gonna just knife blade it, and I'm getting right to the tip to get some height. So there, we've got it pretty much, we've got the height. Now we'll just bend it over the horn and get it smashed back into itself. All right, we're just gonna make a nice soft bend over the horn. And now we'll just smash it back into itself. And I'm dragging the hammer, dragging it all the way down. Now I'm just gonna pooch over the end so that I get a little bit more material. All I'm doing is kind of finishing off that heel. And that gives me a nice target to drag it down on. Now I pretty much got it almost flat with the anvil. And you want to just keep dragging that down so that you get this part a little bit longer. All right, we're going to come right where about that curl is, and we're just going to set it down. Not really hard, but just start getting our taper on our branch. And then we're just going to come in here and make a nice graduation. Now I've got some place to lock in, and I'm just going to flatten it up nice. Pull your hammer towards you, make your flat spot on the top, and just constantly be knife blading it up. Just bring it here, and I'm aiming towards the bottom with my hammer there. And then we'll just finish it up. All right, lock in that corner there, come in here, get that corner locked in, and forge a nice heel on there. You can rasp that up and we'll clean it all up. Good deal. So you can just see in the straight and the specimen, just trying to make a nice, clean, tidy inside wedge. I think you'll have pretty good luck with that method.